Stand up, students. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Thank you, sit down. What's the date today?
Today is day 14th of September, Monday.
Okay, open your copybooks right in this. Okay, do you like song?
Yes.
Okay, stand up to this. Do you know Daddy Finger songs like Daddy Finger, where are you? Do you know?
Yes.
Okay, now please let's sing the song.
English Language Textbook for Asian Culture and Science, 2012. N. Mira, E. Sandra, M. Nasan. Activity 5. Listen and repeat. Learn.
Okay, thank you, students. Very good. Sit down, please. Now, clap, 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 happy. Okay? 1, 2, 3.
Clap, 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 happy.
Okay, thank you. Do you know family members? Yes, Daddy,
Mommy, brother, sister, baby, grandmother.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, today's our lesson's topic is Trinity Tree. Okay? What does Trinity? And tree. Everything? Okay, good. Write down in your copybooks. Okay, Trinity Tree. Okay, our today's lesson's goals are, okay, let's read.
Family members have our day names of relatives.
Relatives, okay? Can you translate? Okay. Relatives 하마픈 사탕, okay? About 다섯. Okay. Okay, look at the TV and listen and repeat. Okay? Aunt.
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 Auch Nachtsicht.
Auch Nachtsicht.
Okay? Next word. Cousin.
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 Yes.
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 Doctor.
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 Ahun.
Ahun.
Okay, next one. Nephew.
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 Açtehu.
Açteco.
Okay, next one. Niece.
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 Açtehu.
Açteco.
Very good. Next word. Son.
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 Who.
Who.
Okay. Next word. Uncle.
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 Auch nachts. Ach.
Auch nachts. Ach.
Okay. I find you listen.
Aunt. Cousin.
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 Daughter.
Father. Nephew. Mother. Grandmother. Grandfather. Niece. Son. Uncle.
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 Okay. Now I was asking over here. You will say English in English. Okay.
Yes.
Auch
Uncle.
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 Auch Nachtsicht.
Aunt.
Ahun.
Cousin.
Who.
Son.
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 Okay. Each.
Mother.
Ow.
Father.
Me.
Grandmother.
Wo.
Grandfather.
Açtehu.
Nephew.
Nephew. Açtehu.
Niece.
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 Okay. Thank you very much. Clap, clap, clap. Good luck. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Clap, clap, clap. Good luck.
Okay, very good. Now I will give you a piece of paper and this exercise about match the words to the translation. Okay? And draw on the paper. Yes. By your hand. Okay? Okay. Okay, now students, look at the board and write down new words in your copybooks. Okay, students. Now I will ask my Mongolian. You say each. Okay? Who?
Son.
Ahun.
Daughter.
Okay? Ow.
Father.
Ich.
Mother.
Auch nachts ich.
Aunt.
Auch nachts
Uncle.
uyes.
Cousin.
Açtı ahun.
Niece.
Açtı hu.
Nephew.
Bu.
Grandfather.
Emin.
Grandmother.
Okay, very good. Excellent. Good job. Okay, now let's see the answer and tick on your paper. And tick. 자, 앞으로 시작하겠습니다. Okay, finish. Now, there are some tests on your desk. Pick up it. Work in the text. 2 students work in the text. Okay? Yes. Students, read the text. Okay? Read the text and underline the words. Underline the names. Yes. Okay, for example, Mark, Sally, and read and underline. Okay.
Teacher.
Good job. Excellent. Wow. Okay.
Teacher.
Okay, good, boys. Okay, good students. Okay, very good. Okay, how many names are there in the text? Can you say the names? Aziz. Okay. Patrick. Maria. Mary. Beatty. And again Aunt Mary. And Aunt Mary. The same. Okay. And? George. And Lisa. Charles. Also, whose family? Jake. Okay, Jake. And how many members are there in the family? Jake's family. And please count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lisa. 11, okay? Has Jake got big family? Big family. Yes. Has he got a big family? Yes. Yes, he has got a big family. Okay, now. You have these pictures on the desk, and now you should work with 3 students and 1 group. Okay? And read the text again. Students say, read the text again and write the names under the picture. Okay, finish, teacher. Okay, now I will ask questions. You will answer my question, okay? What is her name? Okay. What is his name? Jake. Okay, what is her name? What is his name? Mark. What's his name? What's her name? Mary. Okay. What's his name? Charles. What's her name?
Lisa.
What's his name?
George.
What's his name? And what's her name?
Maria.
Are you sure? Okay, now let's see the answer and switch your pictures and check. Check it. Now let's see the picture. And what's her name? Atis. And what's his name?
Mark. Sally. Charles. George. Lisa. Mary.
Mary.
Lily. Maria. Patrick.
Okay. How many members did you write? 자, 쉐링 좀 있어요. Please count and write the number. 자, 좀 비디기 좀 Two. How about you? 6. Then 5. Okay, now open your copybooks and draw your family tree. Okay? Draw your family tree on your copybooks. 이야기지. 예를 마다 이들들이 좋아하는 Your family tree. members' names. Father, mother. Okay, good job. Okay, good boy. Okay, very good. So, how many members are there in your family? Can you say the names? Names or father, mother, just see your family, please. Okay?
My family, father, mother, sister, brother, sister.
Thank you, sit down. And how about your group? Who want to say? Okay, can you say?
Mother, sister, baby.
Baby. Okay, and you? And how about your group? Okay, baby.
Baby, sister, mother, father, grandmother, grandfather.
Okay, thank you, sit down. Good girl. And how about your group? Okay, Lemha.
Grandfather, Elif, grandmother, Sabino, mom, Utista, father, Butter, younger sister, Bashir, younger mother, Abu.
Okay, thank you. Good students. And how about who want to say next? Oscar, can you say?
Father, mother, brother, sister, younger sister.
Okay, very good. Okay, Anka.
Father, mother, sister, baby.
Okay? Okay, now, very good students. Look at the board and homework. What does homework mean? Say no, what is it? Okay. Okay, read. Write relatives. Memorize name, words. Okay, can you translate the sentence? Your Mark 사진이 빛을 야, 비치면 이렇게 뭐. Okay, next one. Memorize. Sheep, words, books, memorize 교재 Okay, write down homework in your pocketbook. Nephew. Niece. Uncle. Aunt. Son. Daughter. Father. Okay, now I will ask Mongolia, you will say English. Who? Akun. Auch nach Sicht. Auch nach Sach. Akun. Who? Auch Achste Akun. Achste who? Okay, very good students. Oh,
Grandfather.
Amen.
Grandmother.
Okay. Can you sing the song Family Fingers Up? Okay, please sing the song.
Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Okay, very good students. Now clap. Good luck.